Doctor,
Any?
I have a little question.
Yes.
When the setting is general practice surgery, are they in hospital? I don't know where is it, and I don't make connection with it.
Oh, general practice surgery is MATAB.
Yes,
Okay.
this is it. Okay. Why it says surgery?
that's that's the British word for office. Okay. The Americans
Oh,
say office, but uh, yeah. So there are a few different words used. For example, for operation room, the British say operation theatre. For office, they say surgery. Also, let me see. Um, yeah, for instead of emergency room or ER, they say accident and emergency or A&E.
oh,
So yeah,
they are departed from NHS in
say
oh,
GPs are contractors. They have a contract to give services to the NHS. Okay, but they own the surgery and they own the business. Usually, it's a partnership, and they give a service, and basically the NHS buys their service.
okay.
All
I
right.
see. Thanks. Mhm.
Okay. So just to okay, any other questions?
Thanks, doctor.
Okay, just as roundup. Okay, because this is our last speaking session. Is that right?
No, doctor. We
No.
booked
Doctor, we
for no.
continue with you too.
Oh, we're going to have more. Okay. But so basically, when you are given a card, what you do is yes, you need to look at the setting. Okay, so that is very important. You need to decide, and that is how I think Neda was doing that. You look at the setting, yeah, and then so this is background information. Um, Underline the tasks, or just pick up the tasks and try to decide um, which part of the consultation you can fit these. Okay, so you see that it says one of the things that it's asking you is express your concern at such a high blood pressure. So when does it go where does it go in the consultation? In which part of consultation you express your concern?
I think in information giving, doctor.
Yes, it's basically after you check the blood pressure after physical examination, and therefore, yes, when you make a diagnosis of high blood pressure, you express your concern and give information. Okay, question the patient about his or her lifestyle. Where do you actually ask this?
Gathering
In
information.
gather.
In information gathering. So it's actually not in the same order necessarily. Explain that medication may be needed. And so where is that?
Giving information.
Giving information. Explain that you will arrange further tests. Giving information. Okay.
Information, yes.
Um, and you cannot impose treatment based on a single reading. So that is reassurance. Reassure the patient that he or she will still be able to go on holiday. Okay. So that is also in the information giving part. So you can say, yeah, as you said, you want to go on holiday and you consent, you might miss the holiday, but no, it wouldn't affect that. Okay. So basically, you have 3 minutes before the task. In these 3 minutes, try to concentrate and try to find out which part of the task you can do these tasks, which part of the consultation. Okay, so try to imagine the consultation for yourself. That what you're going to do. Have a plan. Have a structure. Say, okay, I ask these questions, then I summarize and say, well, these are the answers that you. These are the things that you told me. Am I right? And they say, yes, that's right. Then obviously you come up with physical examination or a diagnosis, and then start to chunk and check. So the approach is basically, it's very important in the 3 minutes to prepare for the job. You actually need to structure your consultation and come up, check the tasks and try to plan. Okay, what am I going to do? In the first minute, I ask questions and summarize. Then I ask about lifestyle, smoking, alcohol, diet, and other things. And then physical examination, come up with a diagnosis, then address the concerns and or explain what the diagnosis is. Before you explain, you ask, okay, what do you think? Or how much do you know? Or how much would you like to know? Okay.